Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to configure Google Chrome Content Security Policy, or CSP, step by step, updated for 2026. CSP helps prevent cross-site scripting, data injection, and loading of malicious resources. Incorrect settings can break scripts, styles, or embedded content. First, open Google Chrome and launch Developer Tools using Ctrl+Shift+I or Command+Option+I. Go to the Console tab and look for CSP violation warnings. These messages show which resources are blocked and why. Next, go to the Network tab and reload the page. Filter requests by blocked to identify scripts, styles, images, or frames prevented by CSP. Now, inspect the CSP itself. Click the main document request and check the Content Security Policy header. This shows all active directives controlling resources. If you want to test changes safely, use Content Security Policy Report Only mode. Chrome will log violations without blocking resources, helping you debug without breaking the site. Check inline scripts and styles. If your site uses them, allow them securely using nonces or hashes rather than unsafe directives. Also, review third-party resources like analytics, fonts, or iframes. Each must be explicitly allowed in the correct CSP directive. If issues persist, clear the browser cache. Go to Settings arrow, Privacy and Security arrow, Clear browsing data and clear cached files to remove old policies. Finally, update Chrome via Chrome://settings/help and restart. Keeping Chrome updated ensures CSP is enforced properly. And that's it. By reviewing console errors, inspecting CSP headers, using report-only mode, allowing inline code securely, and updating Chrome, you can properly configure and debug Content Security Policy in Google Chrome.
Hey everyone!